Good evening to all my viewers. Today in this video we are learning if statement in Python. How can we use the if statement in Python? So first of all, our first task is to save our file. So we are going to save our file. In this we are learning about if conditional statement. As you have used this statement in other languages as well, that if is a conditional statement. Like if the condition is true, the statement will be executed. And if we are talking about if statement only, that if the condition is false and you have not given any message for that, then in that case nothing will happen. So today we are going to learn the basic syntax of if statement in Python programming. You are quite familiar with the basic flowchart of the if statement, as you might have done in the other languages as well. So we are going to discuss that if the condition is true, then what is going to happen, and in case the condition is false, then in the single if statement, whether it is printing any output on the screen or not. So let's take a variable x equal to 10, y equal to 8, p equal to 5, and s equal to 10. So we are using if x is greater than y, then print x is greater. Now if we run this, you can see that we are getting the output x is greater. But my dear viewers, if I write here x less than y, then what is going to happen? If we run the module, nothing will happen. Why? Because we have not given any message. In the case x is less than y, the condition is false. If the condition is false, then the statement is not going to be executed. So, like if we write here, if x greater than y and y is greater than p, then print x is greater than y, x is greater than y, but y is greater than p. So if we run this module, then we are getting the message in the output. Why are we getting message now? Because as per the program, as we have given the values by our own, x is 10 and y is 8. 10 is greater than 8 and y is greater than p, means 8 is greater than 5. Condition is true, so it will definitely work. So that's why we are getting the message on the screen. But if I write x is greater than y and y is greater than p and p is greater than s, in that case if I run this module, I will not get anything. Again the same situation happens, that x is greater than y, it's okay, y is greater than p, it's okay, but p is not greater than s, as the value of p is 5 and the value of s is 10. So p is not greater than s. But if I write p is less than s, so it means I want the message to on the screen, x is greater than y, but y is greater than p and p is less than S. So now we are getting the message on the screen, because all the whatever the variables we have taken here, they are fulfilling the condition as per the values given. So now if we write here, like if we write if x is less than equal to s, then in that case print x is less than or equal to s. So here you can see x is less than or equal to s. So this is how we can run if statement in Python. And here also I want to tell you one thing, like I want to tell you the usage of f strings. What is the usage of f strings? Like how can we print in Python using f strings? Like name equal to Gaurav. So I want to print using f strings. It is one of the formatting method. Like how can you print? It is a different way of printing. We can print simply also. My name is just with comma we can print. My name is Gaurav. So here we are printing using f strings. F my name is name, like this. So here we are going to close it, and then my name is Gaurav. So this is the other way of printing on screen. Like if I want to print it using I want the words to be in the new line. For that I will use \n, new line character, like print my \n name \n is \n Gaurav. So here if we hit enter, what are we supposed to get? Like this, because we have used the \n character for printing in the next line. So it's all about today's video. In the next video we will be coming up with the else statement along with the if, and we will be coming up with the multiple if statements in Python. So thank you. If you really like the video, kindly like and share.